And action. That was so stupid. Hi, hello. Welcome back to another video. We are moving campsites today, but first I have to go do laundry because I'm out of clothes. And you're coming along with me. Okay. Alright, so I just got done with laundry and I am starving, so I hop protein pancakes. Here I come. We are now fueled and ready to head to the next campsite. Just like an hour away in the Oregon mountains. Let's hope there's a campsite. I'll see you guys there. Hello. It is now several days later because I got distracted, but I'm getting ready to go on a hike in the Oregon mountain range. It's one of the peaks up behind me because I need to get a little exercise. So this trail is about it's about 8.6 miles long, and it's kind of a test trail for me right now because I haven't gone on a long distance trail since like October when I was up at Garibaldi, which brings me to another point. Ever since that trail, I think I hurt my left Achilles, so every time I go on a long hike, it hurts really badly. The last time I felt it was when I went on a hike in Death Valley. It was pretty grueling. It was only 6 miles, but my left Achilles was screaming the entire time. I didn't feel it when I went on a short hike with my friend in Albuquerque, so hopefully that means it's better, but we'll see. Yeah, it's a great day, a little windy, but I think it's gonna be a good time. There's a bit of rock scrambling at the top, and I am a sucker for a good rock scramble. Why, hello there. Hey guys, so I just made it to the lookout point. It's kind of the point before the hard part, but you can see the organ needles. How do I do this? There you go. Right behind me. We are supposed to go up there, I think. Let's go. I'm so out of breath. The elevation gain isn't that intense. It's like, it's 2,000. It's okay, Tien. Head down, one step at a time, because we've been through worse. Keep going. Here for people to sign to bring up in up here, and of course I'm gonna sign it. So it is really windy up here. I don't know if you guys can even hear me, but I'm also getting really cold. So we're gonna go back to the car. I'll see you guys down at the base. made it back just when the sun is setting. Wow, what a treat. That hike was really fun. Good news, my Achilles held up. It didn't hurt the entire hike. Bad news, my cardiovascular endurance is absolutely shit. But am I gonna do anything about it? No. That's gonna do it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go out and have some adventures of your own. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.